I would imagine that the people listening have a lot of questions about that too. The first thing that she said was, "Oh yeah, if I could afford it." And so you're saying that there's no
So,
big investment? How does that work?
so really, like there's finance companies that give out solar loans. It's really a lot how people really go solar.
Yeah.
And if you have like a decent credit score, it's no money out of pocket. And then really with the incentives, you're paying pretty much what you're paying towards ComEd right now
Okay.
on average.
Right. And so what does the process look like? I mean, I figure with anything, if you have really good credit, things are cheaper for you.
Sure.
But for somebody that maybe has like average credit, that's a homeowner, maybe like the high 600s, low 700s, what does that look like?
So really, it just starts with a report. So your report's based off of your last 12 months of your electric usage in your home, and then we take a satellite overview of the house. We build a solar system to go on your roof, and it shows how much energy your home is actually capable of producing.
Yeah.
And then, if you qualify, how much money you would save every month, how much it would be for you. All those numbers, how much you'd get back from your federal tax credit for going solar, also the state incentive, how much money you'd get back. There are different ways of paying for solar, obviously.
Right, right.
So like people don't really think about what you're paying towards your utility company. Your utility company is a bill that you always got to pay, and it's something that never goes away.
Yeah, right.
And really, if you look at history, it's been increasing, steadily increasing over time. Now, solar is just like a flat payment every month. It's the same thing, same payment every month, and really, it's a payment that goes away. It's like your mortgage, So,
How does it go away?
well, once you're done paying off your system, just like when you like finance a car,
Okay.
or you have your mortgage. When you're done paying off your mortgage, or you're done paying off your car, you own that car. You own the home.
So you're thinking about this kind of in a way, it's similar to buying a car.
Yeah, it's really like probably the second biggest investment in your house,
Right.
besides your house.
And then generally, how long does that take to pay off over time?
Well, most people do 20 years, like a 20-year financing option. I mean, you can do 10, 12, 15. It's really up to you and how you like to pay things off. Obviously, if you go with like a 10-year, then it's going to be higher monthly payments, but you're going to be paying less interest on the back end.
Right. Okay. Well, I mean, like any big purchase, it's an investment, right?